Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be taking a closer look at the Philips 4400 series fully automatic espresso machine and whether it is actually worth the investment for the serious coffee lovers. The machine promises the cafe style drinks, easy cleaning and quieter brewing all in one sleek package. So if you are thinking about upgrading your home coffee setup, stick around. Also, if you want to check out the latest pricing and the deals, you will find the link of it in the description box below. So first of all, the Philips 4400 series offers you 12 hot and iced coffee options from classic espresso and cappuccino to iced americano and iced espresso. There is plenty of variety. If you enjoy switching up your drinks instead of making the same cup every day, this machine delivers flexibility. One of its standout features is the Latte Go milk system. It creates smooth, creaming froth even with plant-based milk, and cleaning it is surprisingly simple. The milk system separates into two parts and it can be rinsed in seconds. No complicated tubes, no deep scrubbing. Another highlight is the silent brew technology, which reduces the noise as compared to the older models. It's not completely silent, but it's noticeably quieter, especially helpful for the early mornings. You will also get the Aqua Clean filter. It is designed to purify the water and reduce the need for the descaling for up to 5,000 cups. That's a big plus for the long-term maintenance. In terms of customization, you can adjust the strength, the temperature, and milk levels easily through the intuitive interface. It's beginner friendly but still gives you the control. So, if you value convenience, drink variety, easy cleaning, and quieter operation, the Philips 4400 series is a strong choice. So, if you want to check this out, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.